Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right, we here. We're back. Thought I was trading laying down horizontal. Yeah, of course. So, what up, Michael? What account? I mean, you're the Trader's Launch account, right? Isn't that what you're waiting on? What are you waiting on? Trader's Launch? Let me go back and look at your email right quick. Hold on. Apex? Let me look here. Some of my emails are not coming through, so I don't know what's going on with them. Yours might be a part of that, but let me see here. Let me see. Michael. Where's you? All right, I found your email. I didn't send it to you? My bad. All right, we're here. What up, Tech T? Joom in the house. Design. Michaela. Michaela. Yeah, I knew someone before named Michaela. A little while ago. Michaela. I think, yeah, that's the reason why, because you... Yeah, I think it was, I don't remember why. Something was up. I think I got 2 emails from 2 different people the same night. When that happens, I'm sometimes not sure who the actual winner is. All right. What up, Lassifer? Only goes up. Guys, we got bull flag should keep trading, should keep going maybe. That's what I'm thinking. I'm still bullish, obviously. But guys, we need futures, whatever his name is. Let's find him. Let's find him. Don't let him slide when he gets in here. Do not let him slide. Futures, trust futures, guarantee. Or Sabo's crack is in play. Futures, trust futures. I'm sorry to say, brother, you got to pay up. We never came back. Never came back. So yeah, he's got to pay up. The crack is in play. Man, that was some squeeze into the end of the day, huh? Right around 3, whatever. 330. We went up 400 points just off the Trump tweet. What's good, iTrades? Waiting on your account too. No, it wasn't, Keith. I messaged you back, Keith. They swear they sent me a screenshot showing where they credited those accounts. I don't know, man. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. I like the joke though. Oh. In fact, hold on one second, guys. I got to edit the giveaway. This one is an Apex giveaway. It's not a Rapid. I don't know. I try to stay up on it if I can. Trump talking over the Strait of Hormuz should stabilize oil price. Oil price went back down. I mean, kind of like came back to earth, right? All right, let's take a look at gold tonight. I'll show you kind of what I'm looking for. We need about $500 to pass this account we're going to be trading. It's going to kind of be the idea there to see if we can't pass it. But yeah, let's look and see what we're looking at. I'm waiting on freaking Take Profit Trader to update. What size would I pick? I'd probably just go with the 50K. That's what I go with. But it's up to you, you know. I'm waiting on Take Profit Trader to update so I can request my payout. So I kind of got these higher levels marked out. I mean, obviously those are going to be a little more risky, you know. The lower levels down here probably make more sense. I can't even see that. Still didn't make it all the way over. So yeah, I don't know if I'll take these higher ones. If I do, it will be with it'll be on MG. It'll be on the micros with a smaller size, obviously. Let me make sure I got this on correct. 50, yep. Let's just make sure we got everything set up the way it's supposed to be. So, for example, if we get a quick pullback here at open, I'll take this one here, but I'll take these, but only on a micro. I'm not going to go a mini on these. The lower level would be mini plays down here. So, yeah, it just ain't right. It was a crazy day. You mark the whole prior day. I don't. Just a couple of them. iTrades, I told you last night. What did we say? What did we say at the end of the stream last night? We said we would not be shocked if we opened up. We drew a circle right here. And we said we would not be shocked if we opened the day back up right there at 24,500 at the gap. It was actually here. And what happened? We left those relative equal lows down there and just ripped back up. I mean, guys, that's 1,000 points from the low last night to the high today. We flipped the day green. I mean, the market doesn't just like to go in dive bomb mode and not recover to some degree. It just doesn't like to. Now, here's where it gets a little tricky. We have relative equal highs at the 141 level. I believe that's where it was. Yeah, up here on the hourly. There's relative equal highs up here and also up here at 208. So is it going to go for those relative equal highs? It's kind of my lean. I'm expecting maybe a re-sweep of this low here at open. A gap down into this gap somewhere here. I'm not quite sure where. And then make that move back up. I think we play around in this big gap this evening. And then maybe we go. It's kind of my lean, but we'll see, right? We don't ever want to guess. We don't ever want to guess. We want to kind of let the market show us what it plans on doing. Guys, enter the giveaway exclamation point MM. It is an Apex evaluation. We do have other accounts we're going to be giving away once we hit 10,000 subs. That's the idea, Siwa, but like at the end of the day, right? At the end of the day, you're going to be where you're going to be. Let's just pull this up here. What's going on here? Why is the trader's launch not coming up? Let me see if I can find it. So, for example, I'm on the 5-minute chart. The best play, the highest probability play, is going to be in discount of the range, right? So today, obviously, we were bullish today, right? We're bullish. So from a perspective of where would be the higher probability trades, we would just fib the most current leg, which is here. So let's, god dang, what's going on here? We'll fib the most current leg. So any swing that lays in discount are going to be your higher probability entries. So these three swings here, this one, and this one. Those are your higher probability. Now, does that mean that these are not going to work? It's not what that means. These definitely may work. And I probably will play these on micros. Now, are we going to play these right at open? No, of course not. I mean, if we open up and we gap down, I mean, like we're not going to play them. We're going to sit on our hands. We'll sit on our hands for those. The new time zone got you. You missed the open, so you missed your strategy, then tilted. Oh, that sucks. That sucks, Rue. Quantai will come out with mobile app. I don't know, Draco. I have no idea. I have no clue. But I will be on an eval on the gold trades, unfortunately, because we haven't gotten our new Traders Launch funded accounts yet, number one. And number two, our payout has not been removed. We actually haven't even been able to request it yet on Take Profit Trader. The dashboard's not updated yet. Yeah, Room, my daughter has she has volleyball tonight, so if I'm gonna stream, it has to be now. She has volleyball at 8 p.m., so we're gonna be off here at 7:40-ish. 7:40. She got a volleyball, so we're on early. All right, we got about 3 minutes still open here. What do you guys think? Gap up, gap down, stay in the middle of the range. What do you guys think? I don't know. You thought the market would be closed? Oh, yeah. Nah, it's going to open up here in 3 minutes. So, got to remember the time went forward. In America. Let's see what Mancini said about his Ultra Bull case. What did he say? I read it earlier, but then I forgot. He said, in summary for tomorrow, we had a massive rip up today, driven by a big failed breakdown at midnight of 66.12 Sunday opening low. After a 200-point leg up in a single session, there is now nothing to do but wait for a retrace. 78 to 82, 38 to 42 are key retracement pivots, with a trap of 6,700 being the lowest bulls would like to see in a strong bull case. So we're at 67.93 now. So he's saying 78 to 82 will kind of be your first range support. So that's where you have this first box. Below there is going to be 38 to 42, so where your second box is. And yeah, let me go ahead and mark out the previous day close here, so I'm not lost on that tomorrow. So these boxes are going to be your key support levels, and the bulls want to hold 6,700 at the lowest. Kind of makes sense. Kind of makes sense. Is Trump talking right now? Let me see. If Trump's talking, we got to make it. We got to be careful, guys. Hit the like button for me. We got 8 likes, 9 likes, whatever it is. It's not enough. Trump holds news conference in Florida amid Iran conflict. All right. That means let's be careful. "30 seconds until open." This guy said in the chat about Trump, he said he's a D actor that bankrupted 2 casinos. All right, got Trump up here. Is this actually live? It says 2:59 Pacific Standard Time. Yeah, I guess it is. All right, there we go, guys. We opened up. No gap. Gold's just taken off here. 51.50s. Trumpy Wompy. What up, Tony? Listen to Trump here. Gold to the moon here. Not really, but, you know, it's pushing up. Nasdaq pulling back. I could take a quick short here. I really could. I might try a quick short here with a hard stop at the 84. I'll try a quick little stab here. Why not? Hard stop in place here. Feels like we run this wick low down here. I will move the stop to break even on this if we get pushed down to like the 40. Very quick on the stop moval here with Trump speaking. There we go. Come on. Get it through the 40 here. Oh, man, that first ledge on gold just banged. I missed it. Let's go, Matty Matt. Nice job. Bam! Guys, we're about to get tagged in on gold. That first ledge already paid. The first ledge already paid on gold. It already hit the ledge and bounced. Well, I guess maybe it didn't quite hit it. Do I stab off the ledge? I mean, it missed it by a few ticks. What, 7 ticks? No, I'm not going to take that one. I do got the order sitting down there at 51.31. I am on micros, so that is risking $150. That's all. Oops. We're going to get max in an account. I don't know. I need to. Need to. Oil's ripping back up again. How low will gold go? Oh, no, I didn't mean to do it like that. I don't know. I mean, this is dangerous taking this at open, but I'm risking $150. It's not the end of the world. On an eval. Make sure I'm on an eval. I am. Tagged in there on gold. Very dangerous trade, but bam, bam. Let's go. I know you guys like my commentary. Bam, bam. Wham, bam. 150 to make 50. $150 to make 50. That's an excellent RR, I believe. But I am now 58 for 50. Or no, I'm sorry, 57 for 60. So it's fine. Bingo, bango, bongo. We did take 2 losses yesterday, but one of those really wasn't the strategy. That was me mismanaging the strategy. But let's go, Matty Matt. Nice job. $1,000 in requests locked in tonight. Nice. Has to drop a little further, Thumper says. I'm waiting on to see what happens right here at this first level of support on the ES. So we're right there at the 78. Again, Mancini says ultra bull case. We do not sell below this level. You could long here with a stop. Could long here with a stop at the low. Let's do that. Might get stopped on this one. I mean, this is an aggressive entry. But we'll see. Trump is speaking. Let's go, Matty Matt. I think I'm going to go break even at 38, 37, 38 here. Yeah, like right there. Oh, no need. Bang. Nice couple of quick trades right there. Up $98 on this account. Hey, I got a My Fun of Futures ad while I'm watching the Trump live. Good evening, Michelle. How's it going? Guys, 74 viewers, 22 likes. The math ain't mathin'. Come on now, help me out. Thumper's long. I like the long here. I really do. Trump taking questions now. He had a call with Putin today. Here we go over here, guys. Look at this. A little trend line break. Reswept the low here. Now, here's the thing, guys. I could long here. I got a reason for it, but I'm going to long here just for through this opening print. Oh, come on. That's rude. That's rude. Futures trader, good evening. What up, Yusuf? Going to add there. I'm going to have a hard stop at this low. I should have waited until this 5-minute candle closed. Look prime for the breakout. Yeah, Trump is still talking, Matty Matt. Indeed. Here's the idea, guys. As soon as this 5-minute candle closes, this is now a protected low. Because it's the low that took out a low inside a fair value gap. We should theoretically run this high at 978 before we come back to here. So that's what I'm going to play off of. And I'll just have a hard stop at the low here. If it hits the low, we're just out. It's a theoretical thing. I mean, it doesn't mean it can't take the low. Of course it can. What up, Darrell? Inside buy on the 5-minute. Created a new swing here on gold. Let me check and see if my dashboard is updated. Still no update on the dashboard. I'm long Pegasus. I mean, you can't go off what Trump's saying, I guess. Who knows? Maybe. I'd like to think so, but I could be wrong. I might just take this off. I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll just leave it on. Is gold going lower? Not yet. I don't want to get us stuck in like a huge drawdown trade here. It's kind of my thought here. Max, come on, man. The door's shut, so he's whimpering. Any issues changing to the new Ninja Trader connection? For what, Steve? I haven't updated. Are we blowing up the count or are we blowing up the daily loss limit? None. What up, Dave? Not blowing up the account, that's for sure. Let's take it off right here and just be break even on the night. I might just do that. Max, come here. Squeeze it. Got an email to change something by March 31st. I didn't get that email, so I'm not sure. You heard institutional traders say that fair value gaps has nothing to do with the market. Yeah. I mean, that's the thing. People say that all the time. I don't know. Hold on, guys. I gotta open my door up. Max is over here going crazy, so let me open up my door. I'll be right back. Rip it! Come on, rip it. Rip it! This thing's moving slow already. Inverse head and shoulders could be. It's FTT asking for the profits you made. Yeah, they're asking. So, no, Room. This is not FTT asking for the profits. This is a bankruptcy court, a federal bankruptcy case that was filed, and it's the bankruptcy court asking for profits back. Not has nothing to do with FTT asking for profits back. They're out of business. They filed bankruptcy, so this is the bankruptcy court doing that. Dun, 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 dun. Dead cat bounce. And no, Bulanox Apex should not ask you for your profits. I mean, I'm not saying it couldn't happen. Of course, anything's possible, but no, it shouldn't. All right, let me go ahead and get my gold orders out there. It's a federal bankruptcy case. We just created a swing, but man, we're so high here. I don't know. We've already bounced here a couple of times on gold. Watching gold here. Room. So bankruptcy, Fast Track filed bankruptcy, and the court is saying that Fast Track was never insolvent from their inception. So effectively, they never had money from the start. That they were in fact a Ponzi scheme from the start, and that is a criminal offense. And so, to make their investors as whole as possible, they're asking for all the money back, and then they're going to redistribute it amongst the creditors evenly. So that's the easiest way I can explain it to you. So effectively, Fast Track was a Ponzi scheme from the beginning, and they were never insolvent. They never had enough money from the start. So Fast Track doesn't have any money. Might get stopped out here. We'll see. Do I add here and hold? I don't know. Who are the creditors? That would be anyone who purchased an account. That is a creditor. Any customer that purchased an account is a creditor in that particular case. What up, son of Wall Street? Don't add, play it safe. Yeah. Might just get stopped here. Excuse me, guys. Goodness. The problem is, I think we could just sweep the low here and bounce. Because, Room, they're saying that there's some people who never got paid. There are some people who never got paid, so they want to take the money from the people who got paid and redistribute it in a fashion that they deem fair. That's why. Ah. No, Room, they can't take it themselves. You got to remember, this is federal bankruptcy court. There's no scheme to get the money or nothing like that. Now, you're not going to, let's say, give you an example. Like, if you were paid 40 grand and you pay them 20 grand, are you getting 20 grand back? No. You're going to get pennies on the dollar. So if you pay them 20 grand, you're probably going to get $300-400. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Still long, you will get stopped, but we'll flip short if we need to. Yeah. It could still pull back. I don't know. Could pull back more. I could just kill it here. What if people that got payouts that spin it? Well, then you have to set up like a payback plan. You gotta set up a repay plan. Blew through 2 accounts already. Dang. Hopefully, Escape for Life. The 3rd time is the charm. Hopefully. Well, FTT theoretically was good, but just wasn't sustainable. You have to pay them? Yes, you do. If you don't pay them, they're just going to come after you. They're going to get a judgment from you. So, it has to be paid, unfortunately. Alright, do we get tagged in over here on gold? What if you're in Europe? I don't know about the overseas situation. That's different. If you're overseas, it's a little different. There's more protections, theoretically. All right, I think am I tagged in gold? Might be tagged in there in gold. $31 to 36. I think I'm tagged in on gold too. And gold is dumping. Come on, rip it up here. Get a little momentum back to the upside here. I'm going to kill this long, I think. I'm just going to kill it and kind of I don't know what the word is. Reevaluate. We're in the gold long over here. Let's see how it works out. Kind of took out there. All right. Hey, Tim Vesh, what up? You're in the prom space and you've spent all your profit. Uh-oh. No problem, Michael. Thank you. All right, we're down 195. 195 after that dumb trade. Oh, it was such a dumb trade. I don't know why Tim sent me a message and told me to do that. Microwave, what's for dinner? I had 2 ham sandwiches. What up, Phoenix? Oh, the prop space. What tool shows liquidity areas? I have no idea. No idea. All right, Trump's done. He's done. Finito. All right. You thought it wasn't going to work and you was right. You should have told me. Oh, now it pushes up after it stops me out. You. I can't believe it did that. You got short? Yeah, I didn't take the short. I'm typically only looking for, or really not even paying attention to the longs, but yeah, the short did work there. The short did work. I saw a couple of the shorts work today. 5 micros. That's all right, guys. I'll just revenge trade and get the $200 back. Don't worry. You can see we got the orders out here, down here on the lower level. This ledge, it didn't stop out, did it? Not yet. It didn't pay yet either, though. Trade back to this ledge. I should have taken the back door on it, probably. We'll take the pullback to it. Maybe. it'll work. I don't know. Well, if it hits the target, obviously we're not going to worry about it. We're masters of revenge trading. Globex, IB trade time. I don't know. I don't trade IB. I've heard people talk about IB. I've heard people talk about it. All right, that's unfortunate. I missed the backdoor re-entry on that one. Oh, god dang it. I didn't mean to do that. I gotta put my orders back on here. Look at this thing. It's just gonna do me dierte. Dierte. I have no emotions. That's me. No emotion. And I think gold's about to rip. $9.49 was your entry. Let's go. Not quite there yet. So how does the initial balance trade work for the Globex? Anybody know? Somebody explain it to me. You wait for like the 5-minute initial balance? Is that what it is? New 15-minute candle here. Kind of breaking this little short-term trend line that we got. But we are also putting in lower high, lower low, lower high. If we put in a lower low here, that could be your sign to maybe start looking for shorts. However, we are delivering from an hourly and 4-hour small gap up above, but a big gap below. Claims as a creditor. Nah, I'm pretty sure he should be going to jail. Should. Between 6 and 7, 50% retracement forms. First we take sell low. First we take buy. God dang it. I put my order back out over here on gold. It did not tag me in over here on gold. Sorry. You think the 4 hours bearish? I don't know if it was intentional or not. You started a prop and you didn't have enough money. So however you want to look at it, right? I mean, I don't know. The problem that I have up here on the hourly, like, it just looks like we have so many equal highs. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4 relative equal highs right up here. So I think ultimately we go to 141. How we get there, I don't know. We're so close to it, but yeah, he probably just stupid. Look at Friday's range before it closed. That's where we're at. Yeah. I mean, you could short on the break. Actually, this is a short setup for me. I might take it. This is a short setup. Big stop, though. Pretty big stop. I'm going to take it. 7 to 8, David. It would be nice if Scott went to jail and said he started a new prop. Yeah, I'm not quite sure. Yeah. I mean, you could do anything you want in business, right? But he definitely, if they continue with this whole Ponzi thing, he definitely will do. He'll be in jail. I mean, you can't scam people out of that kind of money and just not do any time. But I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. This would just be a $50 winner. What up, Miss K? What's the name of the new prop? I can't remember. Garbage. Welcome home garbage can prop. I don't know. I have no idea. I don't think he started the new prop. I think he's like some sort of behind the scenes person there at it. I talked to someone who actually has partial ownership in that prop, and he said that Scott doesn't have his hands on any portion of the prop, from what I understand. So, but I don't remember the name of it, and I'm not going to tell you guys who it is, but it is someone who's regularly in my chat. They are a financial backer of the prop firm. What up, Trade for Keeps? He identifies as CTO. I don't know what that is. What is a CTO? What's the name of the prop? I don't even remember. Nah, it's not Sage. Trade for Keeps says, I know all the answers. You might. You might. Chief Tech Officer. Chief Idiot Officer. Backdoor props. Their slogan was lubing up, we'll slide it in. Francis, I don't know the name. I'm looking. Hold on. I'll look for it. Hey, Akamufuna Nuodo. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You demand. TP836. I don't know. Could be. What up, Charles? I'm looking up to see if I see Scott's Twitter. I'm sure it's on there. It says the prop pit. The 69ers. What up, Cruz? Yeah, it says prop pit. Guys, we got 124 viewers. We got 50 likes. Come on. Let's hit the like button. I think they are like equities and crypto. I don't think they're futures based. So, if I remember correctly, maybe they are futures based. I don't even know. I have no idea. If you want to enter the giveaway, guys, exclamation point MM in the chat. We are struggling to even get any kind of points here. Of course, we are at the whole number. $22 minutes away from the top of the hour. The market will reach 24,170. I doubt it, but maybe. What time's the draw? It's going to be probably 7:30. So another 50 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and place an order here, guys. We created a new swing. Right there. I'm going to place an order. We make a new low here, this thing it just goes. Dun, 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 dun. If it holds below 24, 825, 100% go to 824. I agree. I agree. I agree. That's excellent assessment. Excellent. Trust Futures, where are you at? I'm here to collect on your debt. I'm going to have Tom Sabo wash that thing for you. Yeah, we got to add him in the chat and see if he shows up. The white candles are just simply. Occasionally I like to toss in a white one. I just see too much red and green, so occasionally I'll toss in a white one. Of course, that's not true. Those are just inside bars. That's all it is. Shouting at Max. He was not. He was running. He was running away, trying to get him to go out to pee. And he was running. He said, "Not today, bro." Nah, no, nothing like that. Gold's pushing up now. Little double bottom there on the ES. I don't think it swept the low, though. No. I mean, this thing's just yanking me around. Yanking me around over here. Guys, can we get it to 9,350 subscribers? 9,350. Can we do it? I don't know. All right, room. We'll see you tomorrow. It would be really good if it can get back below the low of this candle here. Gold's just ripping. You got long at the 51.28. Let's go. I did not get in there. I tried, but it didn't tag me in. I didn't have the I had the order down, but I put it down too late. I don't like this. I don't like how this is looking here. Got a little trend line here. We hold below that, I'll stay in it. So, gold to test 150 and fall and sell. That could. It's not that unreasonable. Not that unreasonable. Miss K, what up? Here's the thing. If ES reclaims like that 82, 83 level here, I'm going to get stopped out on this trade. Oh my goodness, guys. Really? Rude. I flip long here, you know what's going to happen. Did my emails finally? Nope. Still didn't come through. Thought about adding to the long, but 5 MBQs. Yeah. I'm out. That's annoying, man. I'm just getting yanked around tonight. Yanked around. That being said, I am going to get back in. We're going to get back in long. And then, of course, it'll push back down. You're in for 7 MNQs, but closer targets. Yeah. I feel like this thing's going to run this trend line now. It's a pretty clean trend line. 3 solid touches. Then on the 4th, we kind of broke through. All right, let's do it. We're trusting the longs from now on. No more shorts. 24,980 drawn liquidity. I think so too. Looks good. I could probably just put my low below this 5-minute candle. I'm going to add on any pullbacks here. Maximum payout for a 50K. Chris, on what type of what prop firm? Sold to 150. Good luck, sir. Good luck. Good luck. All right, we're in 11 here. going to go for 15 points here on this first. The majority of the position, like 90% of it. TPT. Okay. $10,000. 10 G's. There's no consistency in TPT, so you can make as much as you want. They will take you live at $10,000. Hey, what are you barking at? You signaling the long over there or what? Max is signaling the long, guys. So if you're not long, I don't know what to tell you. Don't know what to tell you. Well, can we get going? Did he say what market or just long? Yeah, he just said long. Only short, says Jamie Max. Max said no. And targets around midnight. It might be Thumper. It says we got a 20 ATR on the 2 minute, but it sure does not feel like it. Does not feel like it. Good day, Rafi. Good day. We might smoke this account. I forgot this account only has like 1,000 of drawdown. And I'm already down, what, 3 something. And we're going to add here. We're going to go for 37. Yeah, we might just RIP this account. I don't know. We might. It's got to bounce now. If I kill it here, you know what I'm going to do. Longs tomorrow on Chewy and Purina. Gold to the moon here. Holy cow. Pushing up to 55s. Trying to hold this through the top of the hour because I think we squeeze into the top of the hour. Squeeze into the top of the hour. It's a good reaction there. Right back to my entry. I put a stop in down there. I'm not willing to let this go much lower than that. So, and of course it stops me out. Trading this account pretty bad. Pretty bad, pretty bad. Oh, we got top of the hour coming up here in just a few minutes. All right, Graki to PBS News. Oil shipments halted to U.S. and Israeli attacks. Yeah, nothing wrong with that, Jamie. I guess good thing I got out of that at least, huh? Kind of a little fake out here. Coming into the top of the hour. Still think it rips up. Says Iran war to end very soon. Yeah, I saw that. He was speaking earlier. 950 or 880 are the kind of the keys. Terrible. I don't know why I sized so large on that trade. But I did. Going back to 685. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. I'm faking myself out though, because we're in short with our stop here, and I stopped myself out, and then I switched long. I was in long. I switched short here. I don't know. Long, short. Just really no reason to be in trouble with a 110 point range, you know, in either direction. If you're sizing properly. Which clearly I did not. Check in 15 minutes. I don't know. What do you think's happening in 15 minutes? We got some news? Not sure. I don't know why my email says that I have 29 emails, but they aren't showing up. Not sure why. Trump pump fade. Go Dogs GFL. You have some of your last targets down at 24,450. I don't know. I think it's going up to ultimately. I got to stop trying to get back to green in one trade. That's kind of the problem, you know? All right, got a few seconds here on top of the hour, 30 seconds or so. $30. What up, MSG? 25 to 11. I think that's where we're going. That's what I got marked out up there. 141s, 208s. We start moving up here, I will long. Gotta kind of start moving up though. Get above like 920. I'll take it. And we'll go for like 40 ticks. We're not going to go anything crazy. Thumper, you enter the giveaway with MM, exclamation point MM. Yeah, it looks like we're holding 880 for now. Let's get those likes up. Let's enter the giveaway. Let's subscribe if you're new here. Appreciate you. NQ below VWAP? Where is the VWAP? VWAP's not even on for whatever reason. I mean, I have it on, but it ain't showing up. Not sure why. The VWAP is not showing up. It's not showing up over on the ES either. If it's Gmail, select more on the left side. All mail. It's on, it's all of them. Yeah, it's all my mails. I'm not quite sure. Alright, well that's stupid. For some reason, I don't know why it's doing it like this. It showed me some of them that way. I don't know. Not moving, guys. It's not moving. Cup and handle. Oh, look at gold. Gold is pulling back, guys. Now, we've bounced here quite a few times. I'm going to stick with the ones we got out. I think those are the decent enough. See if I'm able to request my payout yet. Take Profit Trader. We're going to do the giveaway here in about 20 minutes, guys. If you're not in, I'm going to set the timer here for 20 minutes. We'll do the giveaway. Oh. Inside bar on gold here. You have to risk a lot, though, on it. Let's see, guys. Where are you at, Take Profit Trader? I'm looking to get my money. My money, so I can trade the account. So I don't want to trade the account. Could short this inside bar on gold. It looks pretty good, but I don't know. You're long 2 micros, 897. Not a bad idea. If we get above 920, I'll take it. Hedge funds has been fighting to keep it up here, but they might just let it go and start taking some profit offs. Kind of above like 920s. Tagged in here. I accidentally moved that gap. Not that it matters all that much. Hey, finally a small winner. Why couldn't it do that when I was long earlier with big size? Rude. Why must the market reverse every single time? I don't know, it's been doing that to me too, Design. I don't know. I feel like I got the June curse. I got the June curse. Took a quick 200. Friday's price around lunch. I mean, ES above 82 here is going to be a nice little squeeze opportunity. Do I dare add to the winner? As soon as I add to it, it probably dumps. Guys, exclamation point MM if you want to enter the giveaway. We are going to draw in about 15 minutes. 15 minutes. We're going to draw. You went short at 895. All right, I'm going to add here. I think. Calculating. Calculating. Let's add. Everything hits VWAP upper level. You were short 935 rejection. You think we'll reject at 935? We have rejected there a couple of times. Might scale here like 3. 3 there. 1 kind of CE. Something like that. That's the VWAP upper. Might as well blow a few more accounts. Why not? Don't even know what a green trade looks like anymore. That sucks. Never any fun there. Upper the VWAP. The upper the VWAP. All right, guys, we only got 47 people in the giveaway right now. We got 123 people watching. You guys don't like free stuff? 11 minutes to enter. Y'all don't like free stuff? All right, it's all good. I don't think so, Design. Definitely not. I've seen worse, for sure. Definitely seen worse. I've like just been trading Nasdaq so awful lately in the Asia session. Not quite sure why. Just really in an idiot box here. Range is about 45 points. ES just unable to get above 83 there and hold. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, Donnie's done yapping yet. What up, Option Man? How you doing? All right, doing the giveaway here in about 5 minutes, guys. Yeah, true, M. Clark. Went to a hypnotist and got hypnotized. Don't have any emotions for trading. Your wife is now seeking a divorce lawyer. I hope not. Oh, I hope that's not true. Nah, we not cooking. We not cooking. What up, dumb money? Will be no shotgun on the giveaway tonight, guys. It will just be a straight giveaway. Gold never came back. Well, that's a rude candle. It's a rude candle. What up, Dutang? I'm gonna have to kill this, guys. Gonna have to kill it. And too heavy, it just didn't want to go. Did not want to go. I'm in too heavy there. I'm oversizing tonight, getting myself in trouble. Troubles. Gold is not coming back. Just not coming back. Yeah, routine. That's the problem. What up, Raul? Doing the same one trade a day. Yeah, just not getting the breakouts. I'm oversizing. Trying to get like a bigger win when I don't really need to do that. Should really just be taking what it offers. And that's that. How are the new Lucid Fundeds? I haven't taken a trade on them yet. It reminds you of a 3-day-old salad with turd croutons. Yeah, Rafi, me too. Was it a good idea to jump on the chart? No, it's not my fault. Don't do it one trade a day. Don't do it. You gotta remember, I'm just on an eval, but I still don't want to lose, but it does happen. It does happen. I'd like to see gold pull back into like the low 50s would be nice. Like back down to like the 51 would be nice. Would be very nice. If we could just get like a quick dip on gold. Can it do it? All right, guys, if you're not in the giveaway, we're about to do it. You got 4 minutes. Exclamation point MM. I'm just going to draw as soon as the giveaway is over. As soon as the timer goes off, I'm drawing. What up, Into the Futures? Got to take my daughter to volleyball practice, so we won't be on that long tonight. She's just a dumping. She don't want to go. Buy the bottom of the range, sell the top of the range. I guess that's the play. Trying to get the breakouts, guessing when the breakouts are coming, and it's just not coming. Not short. Long below 900. Yeah, it could be. I mean, we are sort of back at a downside. We're in a wedge here. Comes a pullback on gold. Got my long on gold sitting there, 151.7. $8.98 is the lower of the VWAP. All right, guys, giveaway coming here in 1 minute. Exclamation point MM in the chat. I'm at 4. Didn't even realize that. So what we'll do is we'll go 2 here at the break even. Then we'll drop down to 1. Let's see if we get a little runner going. Stop to break even is the first target. Turd croutons. Are you still short, Room? Alright, there's the timer, guys. I'm going to do the giveaway now. Let me refresh it. Exclamation point MM if you're not in. And the winner is... Feels like NQ's range. Yeah, for sure. Zach T. Finally, a long time familiar name. Zach T, where you at? Zach, send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. Pin the message at the top of the chat there. Of course, guys. Did you expect... You expected something different here? You expected something different? No way. You expected anything different here? We knew that wasn't going to happen. Oh, if you can't break this trend line, I think it goes down, but playing in a perfection at 30-point range. For sure, Lucky Bond, for sure. I mean, is this... Dumb money, scalp $500. Let's go. Nice job. All right, gold's pulling back a little bit now. I'm already tagged into that top side one. We might get tagged into an ad here. Tired bull flag doesn't want to go. Yeah. The thing is, I've been ripped both ways. I've been ripped short and long. All right, let me see here. Still cannot request a payout from TPT yet. Well, ES is pushing here. Market will continue to rally. Yeah, it still might, Lucky Mine. I mean, it's just one of those things. It just may not do it yet. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. I got to take my daughter to the cheerleading or to the volleyball practice. I'll be back tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you want to help support the channel, use code MYTH on Apex. 90% off, MYTH. Use code MM everywhere else. Appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert.